How to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. What's up, everybody? If you're trying to recover deleted messages, first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Messenger app and make sure that you are logged in. And the first thing you need to check is your archives because sometimes when you accidentally delete any message, they might have been moved to your archives. So to check your archives, head over to menu and then tap on the settings icon. Once you land on the settings page, you'll find the archives option right here. So just head over to archives. Now, once you land on the archive page, if you still don't find the message here, what you need to do is go back and then head over to menu again, then tap on settings. Scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find account center. And once you land on the account center page, you're going to have to request to download your information. To do that, head over to your info and permissions. And then you have an option to download your information here. Go ahead and tap on this, and then tap on download or transfer information. Now, since your Facebook account is connected to your Messenger account, just select your Facebook here and then tap on next. And then from here, tap on, if you want to download all available information, choose the first one, but I just want some messages, so I'm just going to select the second one. From here, scroll down until you find messages. Just tap on messages and then tap on next. Once you are on this page, download to device, you're going to select a date range. So let's say if I want messages from last month, I'm going to select this. And then from here, what I'm going to do is tap on save. Now, once that is done, tap on create files and your request will be submitted to Meta's help and support team. Now, once your request is verified, you should be able to get the download option here instead of cancel, and you can easily recover your deleted message on Messenger. But you have to make sure that this is within 30 days because after 30 days, all of your messages will be deleted permanently. If this was helpful, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.